You've been spreading this on your toast every single morning, and the number one ingredient is the exact same oil they use to deep fry McDonald's fries. Smash like in the next 5 seconds if you want to know what they replaced real butter with. They put the word butter in giant letters on the front, but if you flip this liar over, here is the actual truth they're hiding. Purified water, soybean oil, palm kernel and palm oil, salt, and then 14 more chemicals before you even get to anything that came from a cow. This is not butter. This is yellow water held together with industrial emulsifiers and seed oils that inflame every cell in your body. Let's go line by line. Buckle up, because after today, you'll never touch this garbage again. Purified water, number one ingredient. They replaced butter, which is 80 to 85% pure milk fat, with tap water and charge you the same price as real butter. You're literally paying butter prices for yellow water. Soybean oil, number two ingredient. This is the same ultra-refined, hexane-washed, bleached, deodorized industrial seed oil in 90% of fast food. It's 60% omega-6 linoleic acid. Your body is supposed to have a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. This crap is 50-to-1 or worse. Result? Chronic inflammation, heart disease, arthritis, brain fog, hormonal chaos. Palm kernel and palm oil. Cheap tropical fats that are semi-solid at room temperature so they can fake the spreadable texture. Palm kernel oil is 85% saturated fat, but the wrong kind. It skyrockets LDL cholesterol worse than butter in head-to-head studies. Mono and diglycerides, trans fat cousins, made by partially hydrogenating cheap oils. Labeling loophole lets them claim 0 grams trans fat even when it's loaded with these heart disease molecules. Xanthan gum, bacteria slime, literally, produced by fermenting corn syrup with Xanthomonas campestris, the same bacteria that causes black rot on broccoli. Same thickener used in oil well drilling mud. Causes massive bloating and gut inflammation in sensitive people. Lecithin, soy. 99% of soy lecithin in the U.S. is extracted with hexane and comes from GMO Roundup-ready soybeans. Even organic versions are processed with acetone and bleach. Potassium sorbate, synthetic preservative that damages DNA in high doses, 2023 European study, keeps this tub fresh for 18 months while killing your good gut bacteria.
Natural flavor. Legal code for hidden MSG and dozens of other chemicals. Triggers the exact same eat more response in your brain as real MSG. Beta-carotene, color. Petroleum-derived dyes so they can make yellow water look like butter. Banned in several countries when used in high amounts. Tricalcium phosphate, anti-caking agent also used in fertilizers and toothpaste. Completely unnecessary in real butter. Lactic acid, chemically produced version not from milk to give a fake tangy taste. Vitamin A palmitate and vitamin D3 synthetic, sprayed on synthetic vitamins so they can slap fortified on the label. Your body absorbs these poorly compared to the natural versions in real butter from grass-fed cows. The math is criminal. This entire tub costs them about 42 cents to produce. They sell it for $4.89. That's over 1,000% markup on yellow seed oil water. Real butter? 2 ingredients, cream plus maybe salt, made by churning milk from a cow. Contains actual vitamin K2, butyrate, which heals your gut, and CLA, which fights cancer. But they can't make 1,000% profit on real butter, so they replaced it with this chemical brick and brainwashed 3 generations into thinking it's heart healthy. They told you saturated butter would kill you, then replaced it with inflammatory seed oils that actually are killing you slowly. If you're furious right now, good, you should be. Do these 4 things before you leave. Smash like so hard, YouTube is forced to show this to every parent still buying this poison. Comment real butter only if you're switching back today. Share this with one person who still has this exact blue tub in their fridge right now. Subscribe and slap the bell because next we're coming for margarine, healthy yogurt, cereal, and every other fake food they're still lying about in 2025. They took real butter from grass-fed cows, threw it in the trash, replaced it with bleached seed oils, bacteria slime, and petroleum dye, put it in the same shaped tub, called it the same name, and laughed while your arteries hardened. We're done playing nice. Throw that tub in the garbage where it belongs. I'll see you in the next one. Drop your rage below. Let's go.